Hi everybody, this is the seventh and final day of me mastering the crease cut. Like I said before, I'm still gonna do more makeup videos, so don't worry about that. But as far as me just focusing on the crease cut, today is the last and final day. I think I made a lot of progress from day one to now. I could see the difference in the makeup. So today I'm going to do a smoky look. Never done like a really smoky look, like club look. I just thought I should do something a little different today. So let's get started. I have to put my eyebrows on and then I'm going to get to the crease cut. So as I'm sitting here doing my eyebrows, I remember that I said I wasn't going to do my eyebrows first anymore, and I still ended up doing my eyebrows first. Hopefully this time I just remember to go back over them when I finish. Okay, I have my eyebrows done. The colors I'm going to be using today are black, red, and orange. So I'm using my BH Cosmetic palette, and I'm going to go in with this orange right here. Now that I'm finished with the orange, I'm going to go in with my black. I'm going to use my box of crayons, and then I'm just going to smoke it out. I got it on there. It's pretty dark, but I'm just trying to get this eye, because I told y'all I have a, like, you could see it, like I have a lazy eyelid. It's much different from this one. I have more lid over here than I have over here, so I always have a harder time blending and trying to get it to match, but it usually works out fine. So I'm just patting this black down, and I'm making sure that I don't go over the orange because I want the orange to pop. As y'all seen before, I always go back over my colors just to make sure I didn't take away from them. So I'll go back over a little bit with this orange just to make sure that it's there. And staying under the orange, not going over it. Okay, so now I'm going to get a blending brush and go over the harsh lines there. And with the blending brush, I am going to put a little orange on it, just a little bit, not black though. And I'm just going to go over it just so I can get those harsh lines to soften up a little bit. I have it blended, and now I'm gonna go in with my crease cut. This is a smoky look, but it's pretty simple. I'm going to use my P. Louise Rumor 4. I don't want a major crease cut, so I'm going to keep it low. I don't want it too high, and I'm doing a smoky look, so I really don't need that much of my crease cut. Got it perfect, just how I want it. Nothing too major. And let's see if I can get the other side the same. And guys, like doing the crease cut, it takes a lot of patience, and don't get discouraged if it takes you long, because it is like you're trying to stay in the lines. It's like coloring, so it does take some time, but don't get discouraged. Just take your time and you'll get it perfect just the way you want it. Trust me. So I pretty much have it on there how I want it. So now I'm trying to think, what color do I want to go in with? Do I want to go in with the red first, or do I want to go in with the orange first? I think I'm going to do the red, because since the red is darker than the orange, I'm going to put the orange here, and I'm going to go ahead and put the red there. I'm going to go in with the red from my box of crayons. This brush is not getting it on there like I want it. Maybe I'm using the wrong brush. I don't know, but we're gonna keep going. So now I have the red on pretty well. I'm gonna go in with that same orange that I used at the top with a different type of brush. Right there. I'm gonna go in and pat it on there. Now I'm going to go back in with the red a little bit. I don't know how I feel about this look. It's so dark. So I'm going to go back in with the black right quick. What do you guys think so far? I'm feeling like I need to add some sparkles to it. So let's try to put something on top of that orange to really make it pop. Just going in with a brighter orange to see if it makes it pop some. I think that brightened it up. I'm gonna go in with a little silver shimmer. I look like I'm ready for a night out on the town. Like I'm about to go out with my girls. That's what this look is giving me. Oh, that party that Candy has out right now, the dungeon. This look would be good for that, to go to a dungeon party. It's not something that I'm used to, but it looks okay. Just gonna go over it a little bit. I don't really need a cat eye with this look. Just enough over the eye. Just about finished. So now my foundation is going to be in a totally different video, because I received this NARS packet with samples of the foundations and the concealer. I've never used NARS before, but I've seen a lot of great reviews about it, and I'm going to find out which one of these shades match my skin the best. Now I'm finished my foundation. I do love this look. I don't love it. It's okay. I like this look. So I'm going to first go with the orange. So this is day 7. 7 is the lucky number, and I think 7 days was enough time for me to master the crease cut. Now, if you've never ever done your makeup and you don't know how to do makeup at all, I'm pretty sure it's going to take you a little longer. It's something that you must take your time and do. It's nothing you're just going to get overnight, I don't think. At least not me. I don't learn anything overnight. I think it came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. And of course, it looks even better if you pop on some lashes. But I told y'all a story about why I don't put on lashes. Me and lashes just do not get along. So let's finish the rest of my face, and then we'll see how the overall look comes out. For my blush today, I'm going to be using Strawberry Cream from my Watch Me blush. Now we're going to contour the face a little bit. You don't always have to use a brush. Sometimes you can use your fingers. Because sometimes I know with a brush, I accidentally put too much. Last but not least, lips. I'm going to go in with a red. Every girl should have a red lipstick. I don't care if you don't wear that much makeup. I don't care if you like natural makeup. I don't care if you like dramatic makeup. Whatever, you should always have a red. I carry a red lipstick with me any and everywhere I go. I love Ruby Roo. It's made by MAC. So how do you guys like this look? This is my last day of my challenge that I came up with by myself. I like this look. I look like I'm ready to go out. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to go. I'm gonna have to call up somebody and we're gonna have to go out because I can't let this go to waste. I don't want to just rinse it off. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you watch all the videos from beginning to end. Do not skip. Please do not skip. Because if you skip, you're going to skip a step. That's what happens. Once again, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you like this look that I've done.